Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Tonight at 8 p.m. we are going to do a live webinar for the public so you can see what we're doing and so forth. There is a video on the homepage of our Spy Money. If you scroll down, you can see a pre-recorded one. Nothing has really changed much other than we have added a few things to it and so forth, and it's doing really well. We have a, if you go up here to Live Bot and click on that, that will show you a lot of information as far as daily videos and so forth. I have to upload today's, actually 2 more videos I have to upload. But you know, we've made money every day. There hasn't been a day that I have lost money on it. I have had drawdown, of course. I mean, like today, there was $2,000 drawdown today, but we ended up making $2,960. Now, $2,000 drawdown on 5 contracts would only be about $400 drawdown per contract, so it's not bad when you look at it that way. But if you just kind of look through these videos, that will show you what it does. I try to post them daily. Last week I was a little bit behind, didn't get to make any videos, mainly because I was off-roading last weekend. I ride a Jeep and rock crawl and things like that all over the East Coast and soon to be West Coast. So I did not have the ability to make those videos because I was busy with that. But if you go to look back through, then like last week there was not one day that we lost money on it. I've made money every day using the bot. I normally trade between 9:45 and 11 and just turn the bot on and let it run. Today I did turn it off on one trade before it took it, and it actually made money. So if I'd left it on, I'd had more money. But tonight at 11 o'clock we're going to do that. And how you get the notification in order to do so, and if you want a link to join tonight, you will need to go to right here. It's on the home page, and you put your first name, last name, email address, subscribe. You'll get an email in your inbox, and you'll have to click on the link on it in order to opt in. It's so that we don't spam anybody or anything like that. You can always opt out anytime you want. We don't abuse this policy. I don't share the information with anyone. It is only for us. I do not give it, sell it, or anything to anybody. I just don't believe in that. I don't like it when people do me that way, and I'll never do that. So if you want to subscribe, you can get those links in order to join tonight. I've already sent it out for today, but I'm going to send it out again about 7:30 or so tonight. And so if you sign up during the day, then you will get it about 7:30. If you miss it, then you can join the next one. So this should help you out. Here is one little thing I want to talk about is the possible profits. If you just make $200 a day, and that's one trade. If you just let it take one trade and it's a winner, you'd make an extra $48,000 a year if you made that much money every day. And providing a holiday or something in there. But an extra $45,000-$50,000 a year just off of a couple $100. I mean, that's a lot of money. If you think about it, that's more than most people make in a regular job. Is $200. Most people make anywhere from $150 to $300 somewhere through there. But if you want to get above the national average, you have 2 trades, or you do 2 contracts, make $400, and you're almost $100,000 a year. So the numbers are there. The only thing you have to do is really just kind of let the bot run. We are trading $200 a contract per trade. So we're not trying to get this big old long run like on this right here. So I'm going to show you today's trades. Now today we had the bot turned on. I turned it on about 9:42, and here are the trades. So if we go ahead and go back and look, I turned it off right here, but this would have been a loser. Here's a winner, there's a winner, there's a winner, here's a winner, here's a winner, here's a winner. So if I'd have left it on, I would have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more winners at $6,000 and a loss of $1,500. So we would have been, $4,500 more. So you would have been about $7,500 today if you just left it run. The bot does really well, and what most people don't understand is when you let the emotion get in, you will usually mess up. And having a auto trading bot, there is no emotion. It takes it all out. So if you want to be able to put it on autopilot, so to speak, then this is what you need to do. It does a very good job. Using the proprietary spy money bars that we have, and also using the proprietary sniper indicator and the proprietary sniper bot, and I provide all the settings for you. As soon as you sign up, you get an email with all those settings. It does a very good job. I like it very well. It is the best thing that I've ever seen on the internet, and not because it's mine, but it's just, it works really well. So we need you to get started, and get started today. Go ahead and sign up before the webinar. That way you can have everything downloaded, get everything set up, and you will be ready for the webinar. We're going to do 2 webinars tonight. One is for the new leases. So it'll be the newbies and the existing members. We're going to do that earlier today at 6 o'clock. And so if you sign up before then, you will get an email to join the link at 6 tonight. And then at 8 o'clock tonight is going to be for the public, just showing not quite as much as what I show with the leases, but you're going to be able to kind of see an idea of what we do and how it works. So get signed up today. Get onto our website again. This is the only way you can get the link. Sign up right here, and I will send out an email at 7:30 tonight so that you can join. If you join with a new lease today, you go right up here to lease program. When you click on there, the first month we give a discount that helps you get started. Take that $300, put it in your brokerage account. It's $1,070 the first month and then $1,370 thereafter. The $70 pays for the Quantower lease. That's all that is. And you come down through here, you can see the strategies and so forth, all how to join, and just read through this right here. It'll help you out. Here's a lot of frequently asked questions I get. Read through these. I would say that if after you read through, you're going to know all the questions that you have, you'll have the answers to them. If not, just send me a contact, and I'll be more than happy to help you out, get you started. But this is where you go to get the lease. Get started today. The one thing you'll have to do is, just so that everybody's on the same page, we have this right here, and this is 14 items that we require you to agree to. And what you do is if you agree to them, you just highlight this, copy it, and then you go up to the contact us. Scroll down, put your first name, last name, email, phone number, and then right click and paste that in there. These 14 items is just something that we want to make sure that everybody understands before they lease. There's nothing worse than signing up for something and then not knowing the fine print. Well, this is the fine print right here. I list everything out. There's nothing in there that is out of the ordinary. It's pretty well simple. One of the main things that I like people to know is that the bots are not set it and leave it bots. However, there's times that I run a bot overnight, but I have safety precautions with my account to where it will shut off in case something happens. So there are things you can do, but I don't recommend it. I recommend you to run bots attended so that you can watch it. And usually, if you run them, if the market's moving pretty good, you can usually be done in about a half hour, maybe an hour. So typically, I'll start the bot around 9:40, 9:45, somewhere through there, and I'll run it until usually about 10:30. I'm usually done. Today, I think it was about 10:15 or 10:30 today, I believe, that when I actually stopped running the bot. And actually, we'll look here. We can just see. So I turned the bot off right here. It was 10:33. It was the last trade. So looking at about 45, 50 minutes that it run, probably about 15 minutes that the bot run today, and got her 29.60. Running 5 contracts. It's nothing, way out there. To make $3,000, you don't have to run 30 contracts or anything. You don't have to have a lot of money. 5 contracts is only $5,000. It does run on Rhythmic Connection prop firms. So like if you go to Apex or anything like that, just choose the Rhythmic. Rhythmic does a really good job. And if you do a live account, we sign up on ampfutures.com or optimusfutures.com. And with Optimus, you have to go Rhythmic. With AMP, you can go Rhythmic or the $4 CQG. In my opinion, AMP is probably the better one to go with, just due to the data fees and so forth. It works really well. Optimus works really well too. No bad about them. They both work really well. It's just the data is a little bit cheaper on AMP. Commissions, I'm not real sure about the commissions. I don't keep up with all that. But I trade on both accounts and I have no problems with either one of them. So get started today. We'd love to have you. If you get started, get signed up before 6 o'clock. You're going to have a newbies training that's going to help you out a lot. It's going to be open mic to ask your questions in order to know everything that there is to know about it. How to set it up, how to turn things on. Any question that you may have, that's what we'll have. Get started today. If not, we'll see you at 8 o'clock tonight, and hopefully we can get you started tonight. Have a great day.